Hey friends, if you wish to fix optimal resolution notification warning in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, here's what you have to do. First thing, check the display scale and resolution. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side and select display, and then check that the scale should be at recommended and resolution should be at recommended. Now, this is one part, but here's the thing. When do we get this error? Mostly when we are playing games. So if a specific game is causing this error, it may mean that your graphics card is not sufficient for that game, and that's why it is not able to resolve the resolution, and thus the issue is being caused. So what can you do in this case? You cannot do anything much in this case except for not playing that game. Okay. Or you can upgrade the graphics card driver. Yeah, one more thing that you can try to do is to update the drivers, but it won't help much. But still, search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. Now expand the list for display adapters. Right click on the first one and select update drivers. Right click on the second one and select update drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.